Jonathan. Wayne. Captain Wayne. Jonathan. Let's make a deal. I love this show.
It's a new Mercedes.
You're a star in a car. Do you want to drive a car?
We have way too much fun during the daytime. Love me so much. Love me.
I love you, Wayne!
This is a damn good show.
Yes, it is. $20,000 in cash.
Everybody is welcome. Making dreams come true.
This is going to change my life.
It's time for Let's Make a Deal. Now here's TV's big dealer, Wayne Brady.
Hello, America. Welcome to Let's Make a Deal. I'm Wayne Brady. Thanks for tuning in. And you didn't tune in on just any old Monday. This is Mega Money Monday. Mega Money Monday. I love those words and I love the alliteration, but more importantly, I love the guaranteed $10,000 that someone in this audience will be going home with. You have Jonathan Mangum's personal guarantee. 3 people. Let's make a deal. You, the ref, Michael, stand on over there for me. Next, you right there. Yes, you're gonna stand right here, and let's get one more. Last but not least, over in the corner, Tim, I think. Tim. Is it Michael? Hey, Michael.
This is Michael.
Hey,
How are
ref.
you? What's up? I've never played a traditional sport in my life, but it's so nice to meet you, Wayne.
Well, as the ref, you're not playing it anyway, so mission accomplished.
Thank
it's
you.
Fine.
Thank you.
So what do you do?
I am from St. Paul, Minnesota. I live in West Hollywood. I work in advertising right now, but at one point in my life, I ran away and I joined a circus to become flying trapeze artist.
What? So many things all at once.
I know.
You
It
ran
was
away.
weird.
How long did you do the trapeze?
It was a quick stint. I had an injury, but I can still do a backflip.
What? There was no warning, and I guess sometimes that's the best.